Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple truths that can improve your daily life. Today's topic is something millions of people consume every day. Coffee. For many, it is the first thing in the morning. A habit, a ritual, a source of comfort. But have you ever asked yourself, is coffee helping you or harming you? Let's start with the benefits. Coffee contains caffeine. This compound stimulates your brain. It increases alertness. It improves focus. You feel more awake. This is why many people rely on coffee to start their day. Coffee can also improve physical performance. Your body becomes more active. Energy levels increase. It may even support fat burning. Your metabolism becomes slightly faster. But there is another side. Too much coffee creates problems. Caffeine affects your nervous system. Excess intake may lead to anxiety. Your heart rate increases. You may feel restless. Then comes sleep. Drinking coffee late in the day disrupts your sleep cycle. Your brain stays active. You struggle to fall asleep. Poor sleep leads to low energy next day. Then you drink more coffee. This creates a cycle. Dependence begins. You no longer drink coffee for energy. You drink coffee to feel normal. Then comes digestion. For some people, coffee irritates the stomach. It may increase acidity. Discomfort appears. So what is the solution? Balance. 1 or 2 cups per day. Not too late. Morning or early afternoon. Listen to your body. Coffee is not bad, but misuse creates problems. Use it as a tool, not as a necessity, because real energy should come from your lifestyle, not from a cup. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay balanced. Take care.